don't need this yet. First thing you're gonna do is peel your carrots. So please start peeling your carrots. I'm gonna turn on the pot for our lo mein noodles, okay? Over the little trash bin. There you go. Now, you're going to take your knife and you're going to cut your ends off. Then you're going to put your, come here. Then you're going to put your glove on and you're going to slice them on the mandolin.
Okay.
All right. Hold your knife properly. There you go. It's okay. Okay, now you got the tops cut off. Get your glove on. Grab the mandolin. Here, we're just gonna put the mandolin over here for you. Get your glove on, and then get them all sliced up, all right? Okay, this part is done.
I don't think we need this anymore.
Yeah, you do.
Oh yeah, the rasp.
All right, you got 4 cloves of garlic. Okay, hold it with that hand. Pick those up. There you go. Just like that. Over here. Here's your ground pork. Get your meat breaker upper. It's right there. We already got it out. And start working on that, okay? Okay, just let that sit for a minute. Come here. In here, we're going to put our hoisin, our soy glaze, our vinegar, it's our sherry vinegar, some toasted sesame oil, our gochujang, and you're going to stir that up. And I'm going to add some salt and pepper and some garlic and some ginger to that, okay? All right, now we're going to add the carrots.
What about the pan?
What?
The pot.
It's for the noodles here in a few minutes.
I know, but
They,
why are
only,
you?
they
Why?
literally only take like 2 minutes. That's why.
Ah.
Okay? Like they literally cook that fast.
Whoops.
It's all right. Stir that together. Okay, you keep doing that. I'm gonna put our noodles in because these lo mein noodles are only gonna take about 2 or 3 minutes to cook, okay?
Mm-hmm.
In they go. Alright. Now I'm going to drain these and rinse them with warm water. Do me a favor, carefully slide this pan over here. Complete this all up with lo mein noodles, pork. And with that, dinner is
Done.